inebriation. Exhaust and moans whisper up the field. A word I heard from the road's bend of a body and horse spread across the tracks. The news had passed this way in the night, and yes, there was porter in my pint. The tale I told eluded me, so I carried on.
Fine picture with the talk for me. Throw down your voice and go for the walk all past, my friend. We have an untied loose end. You talk to me in cloak and dagger.
Tipsy night in April, I asked you then, would you be my wife? The echo of your no will chase me to the clouds or to the cloud. Thank God for the wheels below me to take me from this place at speed. The road eluded me, so I carried on.
Forever saying nothing.
A drum in a man's hand from the mainland is not beyond my understanding. Forward in the dark, pulled over like a humpback. What's that stupid tune? The difference between me and you. Come down here till we fix your tube. I'll prove we are the exact same in two completely different places. Stupid accent, stupid life, the same 10 fingers and 2 faces.